Hello, lovelies, and welcome to Truly Terror, where here we do reviews and unboxings on skincare, makeup, um, therapy boxes. I guess that's what they are calling them. Um, if it's a sub box, I definitely look into it. Last video I was talking about uh, the Paradise box. It's called Paradise Delivered. So that's one that I'm waiting on. Right now though, I'm waiting on P. Louise. I can't wait to get it. Lorella. Um, and instead of ordering from Truly this month, which I kind of regret a little, I ordered from somewhere called uh, Pure Honey Cosmetics. So if you've heard from them, let me know. Um, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And today we are unboxing a very tiny something. So this is Perfect365. And this is one of the boxes that I look forward to. This is like the fourth month that I'm getting it. Last month I got a surprise in it. It's every time that I've got it, like I've been like, oh, that looks like something, and then I open it and it's like amazing. So this is so small though, so again, I'm worried about it. Okay, so all right. So they always put this little card in that it's just June beauty pack, and you're supposed to scan it and do that whole thing to learn about your products. So first we have Cleo Noir, and I guess it's I don't know if it's a lip liner or an eyeliner. I've heard of Noir before, but I don't think I've ever heard of a Cleo Noir. There we go. Got it. So I'm guessing that this is probably eyeliner, because if it was lip liner, I think it would have showed at the bottom. Yeah, that is a black eyeliner. Yep. Okay, so that's kind of basic for a box. But this box is only $19.99. I mean, and so like I said, so far everything every time I've got something, it's been awesome. Okay. So bombshell pink. I don't even want to open this because uh um whenever it comes to lipsticks, like, yeah, this is so not my jam, not even close. So I'm gonna put that up. Do you like lipsticks like that? Like, I definitely don't. So I'm on my third and final item, and it's all squished. It is Provence and Apoth Apoth Apothecary. What is okay, so that's teeny tiny. Let me see. Okay, Provence and Apother Apoth Apothecary. That make I mean I'm pretty literate, and apothecary apothecary that just doesn't make any type of sense. So it's Apothecary. You tell me, what is that word, because obviously I'm not reading it correctly. So it's a rejuvenating and hydrating face serum. Wow, that's okay. To me it looks like a oil. um but I love serums, I do. uh so, and yes, that is acting, I was gonna say it's acting like an oil, but it's drying down really quick. So I don't know. I don't like that smell very much. But I don't know. This is probably like $500. Who knows? I'll have to look it up. I know whenever I got the very first box that I got from, or bag that I got from Perfect365, it was Bella Pierre, Blue Precious something. And I looked it up and it was a cream, and that cream was like $200 or $300. So, um, and last month, whenever I got my box, like there was 4 items in it. You get 3 every time, and then every third month, they, for being a good customer, you get uh, a fourth item. So that's cool. Like this box wasn't blow me out of the water kind of box, but I mean it's also just 19.99. So one thing that I did absolutely adore was they gave me a Garnier Fructis like conditioning set, and man, that stuff made my hair look amazing. I really need to go out and grab that conditioner. Like it was like you shampoo your hair and you put the conditioner on it, and then like that was step 1, and then step 2 was you put the the second part on the length of your hair. And that was the best that my hair had looked in forever. And every time I go out, I just forget to look for it. And it was in like a little bag. So I don't know if they have it like in bottles or if it's actually in a bag at the store. I don't know. I've never seen it. But I always forget about it. I always forget to look for it. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And for the contest, which will be in 1 week, um, I need you to say, yes, I want to be a part of it. Or you don't have to say that. You can just say, I love skincare. I love makeup. I love both. This is what I like the most. I just want you to comment. If you comment, that tells me that, yes, you want to be a part of the giveaway. Or if you don't, you can comment and say, I'm here, hi, but I don't want to be a part of the giveaway. I mean, I get that. Like some people already have so much stuff, like they really do just come to watch for the reviews and see what's in these boxes. They don't care about the giveaways and stuff. All right, so guess I'm gonna end it there. Whenever it's a little bag, I mean, there's just not much to really dive into, and where there's nothing on the cards anymore, there's, I don't know. Before I did start this, I did see where Ipsy, they dropped some new stuff in there. I don't know, it said new box and new stuff, and I went in and looked, and it was still all the same stuff. And it looks like maybe they're coming out with a new box, but it still says Ipsy, but it said BoxyCharm. So that is still absolutely driving me insane. So you guys let me know, is it still driving you insane? Because it is me. All right, so yeah, that's it for this one, and I will see you guys hopefully Saturday is whenever I'm going to be getting, I thought it was the FabFitFun, but it's the Pure Honey Cosmetics, and that is truly like products. It's bath stuff, basically, shower stuff. Um, so that's what I'll be getting on Saturday, and I have to work on Saturday, so I'll definitely not be reviewing it on Saturday, but I will probably take it with me to the beach. And I'm also going to be taking my Barbie Truly stuff with me to the beach, because that stuff does just look like it's going to be awesome in the sunlight. So like whenever you put it on, like it glitters, but not too much. Like it just gives you this nice pink glow. So I've been wanting to review it so bad, but I wanted to wait until I got me a nice little tan going. So, all right, I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.